Hey everybody, this is Larry. This is Leetcode Weekly Contest 419. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, join me on Discord. Let me know what you think about this contest, this forum, everything in between. This is the live recording. So yeah, if you're looking for the explanation, there'll be videos for those. Started a little bit late. I was here. I was just kind of clicking on random stuff. So I don't know. We'll see. I'm a little bit frustrated, but notebook here. 7 seconds to go. Let's go. Wish me good luck. Let's get some rating back. Right, go, go, go. Go, go, go. Alright. Q1 is Q4 again. Alright, let's see. What? There's so much reading. Count the order ways. Keep only the count of the top X most frequent elements. Alright. So X is 2. Oh wait, what? And there's a subaway thingy. So that's the next array of length. Okay. Wow, this is nuts. There's so much reading. I mean, it's not hard. At least not the easy one. Okay, so then now for I in range of n, maybe n minus k. F is I always have to worry about this, right? So if k is 0, is this right? I guess so. If k is 1, remove 1 element. Okay, fine. F dot items for key value and after y, we want to do key value or value key. We want to do negative key. Well, we want to do sorted f dot items. What is it called? Key is equal to lambda x. We want to sort it by x of 1, by most frequent, right? Okay, so I did it wrong anyway. So it's just reverse of whatever, but okay, well, so we just sort it and reverse it, right? So whatever values, and then we want only the top top X. So then now someone like this, and probably the harder version we have to think about a little bit, but don't have time to think about it. Key is not iterable. How did I thought I wrote it like twice. 6, 10, 12. Alright, so I suck it off by 1. Alright, yeah. Okay. We'll have to think about the harder one later. People already finished Q1 and Q2. Alright, K largest perfect subtree. What are you? Okay, so you're given a root and integer K. K largest binary subtree of -1 is here. Okay. Root of the bird. Okay. The third largest is 3. So we have. What do the values mean? values don't do anything, right? This is so confusing. What is k again? K is the problem constraints are very confusing. I don't think this is a tough problem, but okay, focus. Okay. Okay, so then now if no. Whatever. Then and this is a leaf, so we return true. But also enter that append just 1, right? 1. Actually, yeah, we should return 1, return 0. Otherwise, then left is equal to go no dot left. Right is equal to go no dot right. If left is equal to right, then enter dot append 1 plus left plus right, and then we return 1 plus left plus right. Otherwise, we return 0. No, I guess we could still just... No, that doesn't make sense. Otherwise, we return negative infinity. Why not? And I think we don't need this actually as a result. K is 1 indexed, or this K is 2, second is 3, so this is they should just be clear about it. I don't know why they don't mention whether K is 1 indexed or not. Okay, so this is empty, that's not great. Why am I so bad? How did 200 people got this? People are fast today. I'm just slow today. 7 minutes is actually pretty slow, but what am I doing? How is this wrong? Yeah, I guess we should return -1. I mean, it's not right, but it should not for an error. Did I just get nothing for everything? Why? Why is because you don't call it. Larry, what are you doing? They're both infinity, then this happens, so yeah, no. Okay, this is why you print out stuff sometimes. 371. Oh, -1. Okay. I'm taking my time just to be a little bit more careful. 731. Just because there's no, I don't know. We're making too many stupid mistakes lately, so. Still one more silly mistake. Wow. So root. This is going to return 0, 0. Why does this return -1? Oh man, you idiot. Huh. Okay, well. Alright, you idiot. Oh, I took my time to be careful and I still made a silly mistakes. Okay. Oh, the 2 hearts. Okay, so we have time to catch up on the silliness. We're probably way behind though due to the silly mistakes, but the 5-minute penalty really. But wow, people are really fast. I didn't think Q1 was that fast. But okay, focus. Let's go. 12 people got this. You could get this. And round. So rock, paper, scissors type thing. Alright. Mod. I didn't even finish reading it, but I just need to do the mod thing first. Mod. Okay, so let's see. This rock, paper, scissors. So you're given a string. Alice was someone. Never summon the same creature in 2 consecutive rounds. Bob beats Alice if the total points. Okay, return a number can use to Bob. Okay. And it's 1,000, so it seems doable. How many people got it now? 16 people are solving it. I mean, I'm like 6 minutes behind or something. I mean, the thing is that it actually doesn't even matter what they do. The rules don't matter. It's just that there's one match, as long as you don't do the 2 in a row, right? I guess that it does matter. I mean, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, fine. It's probably gonna be something like this, right? And then it's just oh, and then it's this times like the score or something, right? So then, which is fine. Okay. I hate writing it like this because then now I might have to rewrite it bottoms up. But okay, fine. Either way, if index is equal to n, then if score is greater than 0, or wait, if it's tie. Okay, so then it has to be greater than 0. We return 1, otherwise we return 0. You could probably also prune a little bit early, but that's fine. And then now, oh, and then the last score thing. This is not that bad actually, but just annoying. Okay, so then now, yeah, and then just so how do I write this, right? How do I want to write this? FWE fire earth. I don't think the order matters that much, but yeah, okay, fine. Right. Okay, yeah. What are you writing, Larry? You can't do this. What? Larry, what are you doing? Okay, fine. Okay, so then now we just have 2 things, or 3 things, right? For I in range of 3, then we add it by goal index +1. Last is I, and Bob does not do 2 in a row, right? So if I is not equal to last, and then it's this, the score is the hard part. The score is, so delta is equal to if I guess that doesn't actually matter. If index is equal to +1, the order doesn't really matter as long as we're consistent, I think. Maybe. As long as we're consistently wrong in the right way, I think we're fine. Yeah, maybe this could be better though. Alright, let's at least see if this is right. Should be mostly right, but other than getting issues with limited. Like memory limit exceeded and time limit exceeded type things. This is kind of slow. I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. I could write it too, but I want to just make sure that I am fast enough. Or like it takes me too long to do it. I need to be better about bottoms up, honestly, but that's besides the point. Okay. I don't need no comments. Maybe I should just ask it to not give me comments. Did I do that? -1, we don't need it to be -1 though. Oh, actually I guess... I don't know. Maybe that's fine though. Max score is not defined. Oh, oh that's true. Alright, well, now I have to actually write it. I guess it doesn't work. Or like... this is so annoying. Like, we got the answer, but it's annoying. Oh well. Okay, so here we want index to go from n-1. Okay, that's fine. Last, we want it to be 3 is -1. Okay, I guess that's fine. But we don't need to use this, I think. I don't know, maybe it's fine. Max score. The reason is because max score goes to negative, I think, and ChatGPT is too dumb to do it. Because max score can be from oh, I guess they're doing the offset thing, huh? Maybe it's right, honestly. Then why is this not right? Oh, there's like 1 here. That is not right. The base case is wrong. So we want we don't care what the last is. We don't care what the for score and range from offset +1 to max score. I think that's right. Okay. And we can actually do a space optimization, I think, too, but wow, this is taking a while, actually. Unless I submitted it by accident. Oh, I can see why this is longer, because a lot of the max scores are not possible. That's actually tough. I don't know what to do. Alright, let's just YOLO it. Let me YOLO the top down, and then we'll see. I guess we wasted like more time just to kind of, you know. But let's go. Maybe it's wrong, who knows. Okay. Huh. Maybe I'm wrong on something. Why is this wrong? Am I misunderstanding it? It shouldn't be. I mean, I was expecting timeout, but I didn't expect to get a wrong answer, honestly. FFW. It shouldn't matter. Maybe it does. Maybe it's this case. I guess it does. I thought it wouldn't matter, but I didn't really map it out. I thought it would be symmetric. That's why I didn't think it mattered. But I was wrong, apparently. But this is such not great though, right? Because it's 1,000 times 1,000 times 3. It's like 3 million, but I don't know how to do this in a faster way. Like this isn't even a hard problem. It's just very. Oh, I guess the faster way is to convert this to convert this to Java. Why didn't I think of that? I forgot about it. Actually, honestly, I shouldn't need to, but it is what it is. I don't even need this bit. ChatGPT is doing that thing where it's fake printing every character like line by line. It is ridiculous. Okay, fine. Here you go. Okay, Java. I'm leaving the comments in. If you think that's cheating, it is what it is. What is the other one? FFW? I thought it would be symmetric, but I was wrong. So, so it's the other one, right? Send is 4, right? What? Why did I paste the wrong thing? Why is that? Like that's why I checked for it, but okay, let's YOLO this. No, not yet. I'm just curious how long it takes. I don't even like. I don't think it would change anything for me, but yeah, okay, fine. I guess I don't really need that anyway. What do you think this is? Oh, is it that length? I always forget in Java. Okay, so maybe that's fast enough. Alright. It's crappy, but it's fast enough. Alright, also remove this, it doesn't use it. Come on, YOLO. Why? Oh, I do need this, actually. This time. Is the mod okay? I have to make sure that the mod is okay now. Right? Okay, no mods. Okay, so this is modded. This is modded, so this should be okay. Let's just add another mod here. I think we modded at every point, so I think we're okay, but I'm being a little bit cautious. YOLO. Okay, so the answer is to not use not use Python. It wasn't that bad, but 112 people ahead of me. Okay, so this is Q1, right? So we have this weird sliding window E thing. Is it just bookkeeping? Let me open up back up Q1 so we can solve this. I don't know how people got it so quickly, Q1. But so this we can do. This we can put in a heap. This have to be. If you have a real heap, this is easy. Wait, is that true? No, it's fine, yeah. Okay, so then now only one thing's changed. So then now it's whether so you want to keep the things that are inside, but the decrementing part is the hard part, right? You need a heap that goes inside. Right. How do you... Maybe ChatGPT knows this. No, I'm not going to cheat. But apparently there's a thing called heap dict. Is that a thing that's in Leetcode? Let's see. Nope. Okay, well. We could do a sorted dictionary or sorted list, maybe. Right? Maybe? I don't know. We have an hour left? Okay. Maybe we should be able to do this. Nope, we want just the first k elements so that we kind of pre-warm this list, and then f will contain whatever. So then here we want to say yeah, okay, for kiwi in f dot items, so dot add v1, read k is fine. We just need the back k half, right? Up. Also, I keep on doing this. How did this? Huh? Oh. This is kind of. I mean, this is actually bad code. It's just that this gets whatever. Okay, fine. That's actually pretty bad. I was okay, this is my input. Okay, whatever. Alright, right, and then now sum, the current total, is equal to the last k, right? Negative k, right, and then answer.append total. Just run it real quick. Type error, what? Oh, what am I doing? That doesn't even make sense. Total is equal to this. Sum of, oh, and this is big K. Larry is being dumb today. Right, so do we get at least the first item right, hopefully? 13 and 11 is really wrong. Why? Just do that. What is K? Am I confusing problems? We don't need to. It's X, 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 Larry, X. You are confusing things. Oh, jeez. Okay, so this is 6 and 11. That is right to kick it off. Okay, and then now we start with K. We go all the way to N. This time it's N because we add the item, right? We add the item of num sub I. We add this item, and that means that this changed, right? So yeah. Yeah, okay. Maybe something like this. What is this syntax? Okay. So now we have some x and we have some delta, right? So then now we get f sub. Okay, so we have a pair of f sub x and x. That's the number we care about. That's in the SL. Right. And now if index is greater than equal to n minus k, then total we subtract f sub x times x, right? Yeah, okay. And then now f x increment by delta, right? So then now we add back in, and then if index is greater than n, okay, total we add in after. Something like this. Bisect left takes 2 arguments. Six, seven, seven. Again, negative numbers. Okay, that's just one. Right. Okay, so this is fine if it's removed, if it is added. But then now, okay, if this is the case, then we actually have to add in the new number, right? So if this is the case, we have to remove the number that is at exactly n minus, it could be n minus k minus 1. I think that's the other thing that I'm just like being lazy about. Okay, if k is 0, does this make sense? If k is 1, then index has to be n minus 1, right? So I think this is fine, maybe. Well, we'll see, I guess. Anyway, so if this is the case, then you have to take this number. I don't know, whatever. Oops. I think it's fine. I don't even know if this is right. Okay, if this is here, then we have to subtract this back out. Oh, I have to remove something. I think if this is the case, then okay, we do this, but then now we remove, so that is wrong. We move f of x, and then we add the delta, and then we add this, and if this is bigger, then we add it, but we also subtract the previous one before we add. Well, now we already added it. Well, we have to remove this either way, so that we increment and then do it. But yeah, this is probably off by 1, but I think we're closer. Hit me closer. 462. We just binary search for it, didn't we? Okay, let's print SL real quick. This is the list we care about. I mean, I'm confident we'll get it. We have 50 minutes. It just takes a while. Okay, so we want to change the 2 to a 3. Now we have 3 2s. Is that right? We have 6, so we have these 6, and then okay, so now we have 3 2s. Okay, and then okay, we took away. Okay, so we subtracted and we added back on. Okay, and then we take away the 1. Okay, is the sorted list correct at least? 1 has 2, and then now 1 is 1. Right? So that's true. So we have 6. 2 2 2. Okay, so we have 6 from here, and then we added a 2, so this is 8, which is true. We remove the 1. But removing the 1 going to 5 is not right, because we have to add something back in, which is this part, I think. Adding back 2 1, that's fine. Adding back 2 1. So we haven't removed it yet, that's why. So then this is the one afterwards. Right, okay, so then now it is 6 and 10, okay. Okay, so then what? But then this is 9 because why? I'm just doing off by ones. I think we're mostly good, honestly. Okay, so we're moving back 4-1. Why? Or 1-4. Index. Did I do this right? Oh, I didn't check again. I meant to do that, but okay, so we add the 4. Is right. Am I just off by 1 here? Maybe I'm just off by 1 here. But is the 0-7? 7 is from the second case. Let's at least take a look at the output, the first case. Okay, the output for the first case is wrong. Why is this 12? So okay, so adding this, removing this. No, this should not be right. Because, oh I know that. Is this also like -1? Am I just doing it wrong? Okay, I mean this is not right. But let's double check the math. 10, right? So then now, this is the sorted list. We care about this. We now 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So then now we add a 3. So then we remove 4, add a 3. And subtract 1 we don't really care about, that's fine. I wonder if that factors in, because is there a -1 thing? Oh, it's the sum of the array, which is fine. Okay. Alright, let's try the other one. I don't know why it's giving me an error. 0-7 not in the list. Oh, of course, because it doesn't get added unless, yeah, okay. So then now here we actually want okay, yeah, we want something like for x and nums, f of x, something like this, something silly, just to make sure that we set everything. Okay, well, 11 is not going to be the right answer probably, but alright, well, this is why we don't submit yet. Okay, so we start here. We where we at? We only have 2 numbers, right? So that's actually easy to do, well, or easy to look at. We start 1, 3, 1, 8. Okay, we add a 7, we move to 3, add a 7, we move to 3, and this debugging is impossible to read, but that's fine. Is it, Larry? Is it fine? Okay, so this is 11. Add the 7. Okay, we add. This should be. Ooh, is this right? Maybe I am off by 1 here. Well, it's not confident. I think I'm off by 1 somewhere, but because this is not adding the 7. Why? This is after adding X, right? So then now it should do something here, right? So okay, so then now we have oops. Okay, so 7 delta 1, we have 2 n minus k. N minus k is wrong. What is the right one then? So it gives me 2 in the, oh, I see it. It's not the, no, this is right. But it's not n minus k though. It is the number of unique numbers. So it's not n minus k, it's m, where m is the length of the unique numbers, and that's why I keep on getting confused. Maybe this isn't even right. I mean, well, this is definitely not right, but I have to figure out how not right it is. Okay, well, maybe this is fine. Now we're just like YOLO trying things. Okay, let's focus a little bit. Okay, so we have m is equal, oh, no, this is fine. Yeah, I think this is fine. M is the length of, actually m can even just be, no, this is fine. Yeah. Alright. But now Q1 as well. Okay, so here we still have 45 minutes. We're doing okay on time. Could we be better? Yes, but I think we're okay. And actually, this is right, but this is really wrong. Why are you wrong for Q? For example 1, 3 negative 2 is definitely wrong. We should not have negative 2. K, it's not K, it's X, right? Why do I still have K in random places? How did this get the first one right? It's just very lucky, or maybe in my case not lucky. I'm confusing variables. I hate single letter variables. This is why you should not have single letter variables. Okay, so this is now right, but am I actually right? Am I just a little bit lucky? That's the thing with all these things, right? I have to double check. So 0, this is 2. We want the last 2, right? So it's starting from the 2 index, is that right? M minus X, 2 index, this is right. Here, for the 7, we want the 2 index because the 2, I think that's right. So, okay. But we're minusing the right numbers. Would this make it wrong? I just want to, like, if this makes it wrong, it's actually a good sign, because that's basically, it shows that we do something. Okay, I mean, I am going to YOLO a little bit. Probably, maybe I could check a little bit more, but I think maybe it's worth the 5 minutes for me to get an example that is wrong, so I could debug it like this, versus trying to come up with cases and it just end up getting wrong anyway. Okay, 822. So do and then do. X is 2. It's 8 because, okay. Now I have to kind of put it back in. Let's see. Okay, so we have, so the answer should be 4 because we have only one number, right? Oh no, but this should be 4, right? So 8 delta, we only care about the last. Oh, we do. I see. I don't remove this because it's, even though it's a 0. But I should though, right? Let's see. So we have this debugging gets a little bit confusing. Okay, I mean I know why, or I have an idea why this is wrong, but okay, so if this is the case, we have 10, that's fine. So we add in an x, we don't delete anything because this was already in it. So then now total is 16 is actually wrong, right? Because we have 10, we add in a 2, so 16 is absolutely wrong. So actually this -8 part is right, but I'm missing, maybe this is off by 1 somewhere. Something like this. No, that, well, I think I should fix this one, but not this one. So maybe something like this. My answer is still 10.8, it should be 10.4, okay. We still have 16. So, okay, 0 is the thing, right? Okay, so k is 0, so we always keep track of this. All right, let's put these back in. Also, this is just wrong. I think we had it right. Maybe the -1 is wrong, but maybe the, no, I don't know. Okay. So we have 1.8, we're removing 2.2. How do we have 16? We're moving 4. Okay, so we have this. Adding back an 8 is really wrong. So okay, so we have this. We wanted to add 1 here, so we removed 1, 2. Does this go overboard? This goes into -1, that's why. Right, I mean, I think I know, yeah. So then now it's removing the first element, which is why. So this has to be, I guess it's just, yeah, if, I think this has to be the thing. I think we're just kind of a little bit silly on the removing and adding. Or it's off by 1 because we go out of bounds. And then instead of throwing an error, and I think this is the edge cases that every number matters. For this one, for whatever reason. Alright, YOLO. If that's the only wrong answer, then I'm happy. I mean, if it times out, then I'm also sad, but... Alright, 97. I mean, I was pretty slow on this one. Too many wrong answers. I mean, we have 20 minutes of penalty, so 81st is nice, but you know, it's not going to stay that way for this one for sure. But I did. I mean, Q3. I don't like. You know, one of the wrong answers. Actually, I probably should have double checked. I was just a little bit lazy. I thought it was symmetric, but it would have taken me 10 seconds to just make sure that I got it in the right order. So I was just dumb, honestly. Yeah, I mean, I thought it was symmetric, but you know, converting it to Java is silly. I don't even know that the top-down version would have worked, which I actually. I guess I wish I kept my top-down version. Well, I mean, not top-down. My bottoms up. Sorry. Oh, I do have it here. I am curious whether this would work. But that's the thing, right? Is that it's all guess, because as you can see, I tried to run it and it times out, and I don't know how else to write it, really. Like maybe we can allocate a little bit less space and that's a little bit faster, but honestly, I don't know how to write it. And if it gets accepted, it's not like a very confident accept either, right? So it's really crappy. I mean, it looks like at this point, whether it times out or not is really moot. Oh, I guess I didn't fix that part. But I don't know why it took so long. I guess we didn't fix that part, but okay. So I mean, yeah, I don't know if it's going to time out anyway, but still not great, right? Like I don't know what is the right way to do it in Python then, right? Like. And it's only 1,000. It's not like it's some ridiculous number, right? So I don't know if it. I'll be very happy to figure out who did this in Python, but you know, 5 minutes of those penalties are silly, and it took longer too, right? Because I spent like 5 minutes just converting it, trying to write it top down or bottoms up, and it's still kind of messy, right? So I don't know. Please. Yeah, and Q4, the idea wasn't that hard, but I'm like trying to get some soda or something. I need some hydration. The idea is not so bad, but no, I mean, I think the ideas were actually very easy, but it's just bookkeeping, and I have a lot of off by ones, or maybe not a lot. Well, this one I think is fine. I didn't consider it, and I think that's a legitimate case. I think there is something you can do with adding a sentinel, and maybe that's what I could have done. Let me double check actually before I take a break on the time limit. 4 seconds is fine. Okay, but I think you could have also added like above 0, 0, 0, and that would probably fix it without this thing, because then now we're not off by 1 anymore. And I forgot what I guess the case is like 82222 or something like that, right? So it should be like 10.4, not 10.8. So okay, so maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I did. I guess I did need it. But yeah, I don't. Actually, I don't know why. Now I'm not quite sure why. Maybe there's some stuff with M and X is still the case. Maybe there's just too many X for that number. And you can't add enough sentinels to avoid, because oh yeah, that's right. I see. So I definitely needed it then. I thought you could add a sentinel, but I was wrong, because this one has four X is 4 where the thing is yeah, where the thing only has 2 variables, right? So so no matter, like, you have to add like a lot of sentinels to make that work, which is at that point it's if statement is silly. Overall, I don't think this is a hard problem. It's just a lot of bookkeeping. And I think that if you have a heap library, you could solve this in like 2 minutes. Which some people, like, I wouldn't be surprised with all these smart people on top have library for this. Maybe not all of them, but definitely wouldn't be surprised if the top solvers have it. Like, I saw it pretty immediately, and I can't imagine anyone else that. Yeah. Anyway, that is all I have for this one. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching. Yeah, stay good, stay healthy to your mental health. I'll see you all later and take care. Bye bye.